Hi everyone, it's Michael here, and today we will take a look at the world's first laptop from Lamborghini. Nah, just kidding. But the point is, they are no longer afraid to break the rules. You won't expect this to be an MSI laptop from afar. The top cover that is usually crowded with gaming-inspired deco and the iconic red dragon is here no more than a flat black surface with a simple golden logo on top. It is screaming luxury and minimalism thanks to its full aluminum construction with some gold accents here and there. Elegant, simple, something very compact you can confidently bring into the meeting room. Here, you can see a comparison against the 14-inch size MSI GS43. The 15-inch GS65 doesn't feel larger or heftier and even a bit thinner due to the small bezels. Despite all that, the overall construction feels pretty solid, except for a few parts where the body feels too thin. Unexpectedly, you can open up the hinge to 180 degrees. Besides the size, it has an awesome display technology. Unlike previous MSI gaming laptops which use TN panels, this laptop has an IPS Full HD display with very high color accuracy, but just as good as a Gigabyte Aero 15, it also has a 144Hz refresh rate, which means the GS65 is ready to satisfy creative professionals as much as serious gamers with this exceptional display. Fortunately, this screen is leaving a fair bit of bezel on top just to fit a 720p webcam in its normal position. Being a gaming laptop, connectivity options are not bad at all. You have USB 3.1, Thunderbolt 3, Mini DP, HDMI, and a charging port to the right. While to the left, there's a LAN port, which is rare for a device this thin, 2 USB 3.1 ports, and a dual audio jack. Too bad there's no SD card slot to be found. So far, the GS65 is the thinnest and lightest laptop armed with 6-core Intel 8th Gen Core i7 CPU and graphics option up to GTX 1070 Max-Q. Same as other laptops with similar CPU we reviewed before, there's no significant improvement on gaming performance since the biggest impact can only be felt at productivity, such as rendering jobs that can benefit from many cores and threads running together. But somehow, the CPU appears to be performing a bit less powerful when being put next to the Aero 15 and Zephyrus M with a Cinebench score of 1100. GTX 1070 Max-Q might be faster than GTX 1060, but still being outrun by the full-powered GTX 1070, and due to it running at lower volts, it consumes less power and putting out less heat. A decent heat management system is also proven after we've stress tested this machine, and temperatures doesn't go beyond 70 to 80 degrees centigrade. 3 fans are working together with intakes on top, left, right, bottom, and behind. It is quite loud, but what matters is staying cool. The model we have now has 512GB of NVMe SSD and 16GB of RAM. Both are upgradable, but it's unfortunately on the other hard-to-reach side of the motherboard to save space. Also, it's not an elite gaming laptop without RGB keyboard. The SteelSeries branded keyboard features some highly customizable, gorgeous individual RGB backlit, customizable through SteelSeries engine. Unexpectedly, it feels nice and tactile for this little key travel, quite comfortable for gaming as well for typing. Things went south really fast when we talk about the touchpad that's very modest and not very comfortable for a laptop this expensive. But that weakness is paid off by a massive 82Wh battery, which according to them is enough juice for 7 up to 8 hours. Good thing is that MSI was able to keep its 180W adapter as thin as possible for portability. Lastly, sound coming from the speaker is great, despite that its full potential will only be unlocked by using a headphone. Finally, MSI is able to make an ultra-portable gaming laptop not only pleasing gamers, but also kept creative professionals as a priority with a new elegant design and a formidable IPS display. The GS65 is certainly not the fastest laptop or the easiest one to upgrade out there. But this laptop is there for you who prioritize portability as much as performance. Through a combination of fast CPU and capable GPU, laptops like the GS65 will make work, playing games, and being productive everywhere a lot easier than ever, as long as you can justify its steep price tag. So that's it about our opinion on the MSI GS65 Stealth Thin. You think this is the best ultra-portable gaming laptop you can buy? Don't hesitate to comment down below. Be sure to like and share if you like this video, and as always, have a nice day.